Come back to subscribe, please. Today, we're diving into the world of INFINITEAI, also known as $IFAI, a novel cryptocurrency project blending artificial intelligence with blockchain technology. INFINITEAI aims to merge the power of AI with the decentralized nature of cryptocurrency. It boasts key features designed for the AI and crypto space, and its tokenomics include a specific supply and distribution model. Here are potential benefits to holding $IFAI, particularly its connection to growing AI trends. Plus, there is a community element to consider, but remember that all investments involve risk. ET's walk through how to buy $IFAI on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account by visiting the MEXC Global website, signing up with your email or phone number, and completing their KYC verification. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Assets or Wallet section and choose Deposit. Select a supported cryptocurrency like USDT or BTC, copy the deposit address provided, and send crypto from your external wallet to that MEXC deposit address. After the funds arrive, go to the Trade or Spot Trading section and search for IFAI or IFAI/USDT to find the trading pair. From there, choose your order type, such as market or limit, enter the amount of USDT you want to spend or the amount of $IFAI you want to buy, and then confirm the order. Finally, check your order history to ensure it was filled and confirm that $IFAI is now in your MEXC wallet. Alternatively, you can buy $IFAI via BNB on the Binance Smart Chain using PancakeSwap. To do this, first set up a BSC-compatible wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet by downloading the extension or app and configuring it to connect to the Binance Smart Chain. Then, acquire BNB from a centralized exchange like Binance and withdraw it to your BSC wallet. Next, go to PancakeSwap, making sure it's the official site, and connect your BSC wallet. Select BNB as the input currency, find $IFAI using its contract address, which you should verify on official channels, set your slippage tolerance, and then swap BNB for $IFAI. If needed, import the $IFAI contract address to your wallet to display the token. If we're investing, conduct thorough due diligence and be aware of the volatility inherent in crypto markets, as well as the risk of scams and rug pulls. Always use official links, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Or security, enable two-factor authentication on exchanges and wallets, store seed phrases securely offline, beware of phishing attempts, use strong, unique passwords, and regularly update your software. To recap, we've covered the purchasing process for $IFAI on MEXC Global and via BNB/BSC on PancakeSwap. Remember to do your own research, invest responsibly, and stay updated through official social channels and the project website. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.